I'm here today to introduce you to the Holmatro Rescue Tools that are on the run in the fire service. We have the 3-stage pump, we have the spreaders, we have the ram, we have the hydraulic hose, we have the cutters, and we have our 2-stage pump. Hello. This is the Holmatro pump. It's an SR20 PC2. It's 23 kilos in weight and it pumps at 720 bar. On the front here we have the oil tank. And here we release the dust caps to keep it clean. It's ready for use. On the side here we have the 3 stages. We're going to turn on the choke, switch on. This is the throttle. It's set by Holmatro. It's not to be touched. On this side here we have the on off. We're going to switch it on to on, ready for use. This is the petrol tank. There's no gauge on the petrol tank, so we gauge from the inside. Okay, we're going to start the pump. We're going to give it a light little pull. We're going to turn off the choke. The pump is now ready for use. Here we have the Holmatro Duo pump. It weighs approximately 20 kg. It pumps at 720 bar and it's a 2-stage pump. Here we have the oil fill, and it has a load to the maximum. The oil fill is here. On this side we have a petrol gauge. On the top of the cap we have an on and off, and we'll switch it on to on for use. On the front we have the dust caps. We're going to release them for use. Okay, as we turn it around, it's powered by Honda engine. We're going to switch this into the on position with the high revs, and the choke is up here. Okay, we're going to give it a light little pull to start. Now, the Holmatro pump is ready for use. Here we have the hydraulic Holmatro high pressure hose. In this hose is a flow and return with the high pressure built into the center of the hose. On the ends of the hose we have a male and a female. We're going to take the caps off now and we're going to show you how to connect it to the pump. The male end goes to the pump. We're going to take the cap off there. We're going to present it square to the pump to hear the click. The hose now is ready to be connected to the tool. Here we have the Holmatro core hose. It's a high pressured hose with high pressure running down the center with the low pressure running up the outside. It's a flow and return hose. At the ends of the hose we have a male and a female. We're going to connect the male end to the pump. We'll take this cap off. When we present the hose, we present it square to the pump. You can hear that click when it's securely in. The hose now is ready to go to the tool. Here we have the Holmatro spreaders. Its model is 5240CL. It's 9.5 kgs in weight. We're going to offer the core hose to the tool. We take the cap off. We're going to offer it square. You hear the click. The tool is now ready for operational. The tool should always be left fractionally open so there's no pressure on the line. It's right to open, it's left to close. When it's fully opened, it's over 500 millimeters wide. When we're finished with the tool, we bring the tool back to a close. We close it, fractionally open. The tool now is ready for use. Here we have the Holmatro ram. It's a 2-stage ram. Its model is the TR4350C. This ram, we're going to connect it now. Connect it square. You hear the click. In this ram, it's 2-stage. First ram comes out to 368 millimeters. And the second ram comes out to 354, and in total it's 1275 millimeters. two-stage ram by Holmatro. You keep your hand to the right to turn to open it. There's the second ram. That's it fully opened. When we're going to close the ram, is back in. You keep the handle twisted to the left as identified here. When we're closing the ram, we fully close it and we let it slightly back out to keep the pressure off the line. There's the ram fully closed. We give it a little touch back open. That is the Holmatro ram. Here we have the Holmatro cutters. The Holmatro cutters model is the 4050C. It's approximately 19 kgs in weight. It has up to 100-ton cutting force. What we're going to do now is we're going to connect the cutters to the line. We have it square that you can hear the click. It is now ready for use. We will connect the dust caps together to keep them clean. We're going to open the cutters. Open it fully. As you can see, the cutter's the shape. When it grabs the steel, it pulls it into the center of the jaws here to get the best cut. That is the cutters closed. That's it fully closed there. When we open the cutters, we leave it back, we turn it to the right, as it says here on the diagram, we leave it fractionally open. That is the Holmatro cutters.